Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon for 2025. Whether you drive daily or want extra security on the road, these dash cams offer advanced video quality, smart features, and reliable performance. I'll break down product info, real-world review, pros and cons so you can choose the best one for your vehicle. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam. The WOLFBOX G840S features a 12-inch smart rear-view mirror display with 4K front recording and a rear camera. It supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, night vision, parking assistance, GPS tracking, and comes with a 32 GB memory card. This model is perfect for drivers who want a cleaner setup without a bulky dash cam. The large mirror display gives a wide and clear view even at night. The 4K front camera captures excellent detail, and the parking lines make reverse driving much easier. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures smooth mobile preview and video downloads. Pros: large 12-inch mirror display, high-quality 4K video, parking assistance built in, comes with GPS and 32 GB card, strong night vision performance. Cons: mirror reflection can be bright in direct sunlight. Rear camera requires careful installation. Number 2. 70mm 4K T800 3-channel dashcam. This dashcam offers 4K front recording, 4K rear, and 1080p interior footage. It features STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors, HDR night vision, Wi-Fi 6, 4G LTE connectivity, ADAS assistance, and includes a 512 GB card option. The 70mm T800 is one of the most advanced triple-channel dash cams available. The STARVIS 2 sensors deliver outstanding low-light performance, and the ADAS system helps improve safety with lane and collision alerts. With 4G LTE, you can check your car remotely anytime, making it ideal for long-term parking or security. Pros: true 4K for both front and rear, excellent low-light performance, built-in ADAS and 24-hour parking mode, Wi-Fi 6 and 4G LTE for fast connectivity, comes with a large storage option. Cons: setup takes some time, requires monthly data plan for LTE features. Number 3. Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dashcam. This dashcam records in 4 directions: front, rear, and 2 interior cameras for full 360-degree coverage. It records at 2.7K front, dual 1080p for the sides, and 1440p rear. It features STARVIS 2 IR night vision, Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, and 24-hour parking mode. The Vantrue N5S is designed for maximum protection, especially for rideshare drivers or people who want complete 360-degree monitoring. The IR night vision works extremely well for cabin recording, and the front footage is crisp and detailed. The system supports up to 1 terabyte of storage, making it suitable for long driving sessions. Pros: full 360-degree coverage, strong IR night vision for interior, supports up to 1 terabyte of storage, voice control and Wi-Fi enabled, great for rideshare drivers. Cons: more expensive than dual-channel models, installation is more complex due to 4 cameras. Number 4. Real 4K 3-channel dashcam with HDR STARVIS 2 sensor. This dashcam captures 4K front video and 1080p interior and rear views. It includes HDR technology, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, a G sensor, IR night vision, a 3.3-inch IPS display, a parking monitor, and a free 64 GB memory card. This 3-channel dashcam delivers premium clarity at an affordable price. The HDR helps balance highlights and shadows, making plates and signs readable even at night. The 3.3-inch display is large enough for easy preview without taking up too much windshield space. Pros: sharp 4K front camera, HDR for better night vision, includes free 64 GB card, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for smooth file transfers, GPS and parking monitor built in. Cons: rear camera resolution is basic compared to competitors. Display may reflect sunlight in certain angles. Number 5. Vantrue N2X 2.7K dual dashcam. This model offers dual recording, 2.7K front, and 1080p interior. It includes 5G Wi-Fi, HDR, IR night vision, STARVIS 2 sensors, GPS, 25K 60 FPS recording mode, and support to up to 512 GB storage. The N2X is an excellent choice for everyday drivers and rideshare users. The 60 FPS option makes motion smoother, especially in fast traffic. The interior camera with IR night vision captures clear cabin footage even in complete darkness. Pros: smooth 60 FPS recording, excellent IR interior night vision, compact and discreet design, 5G Wi-Fi for quick transfers, supports up to 512 gigabytes. Cons: no rear camera option, best performance requires a high-end SD card. Each of these dash cams delivers top-tier performance, but the best choice depends on your driving needs. For full 360-degree protection, the Vantrue N5S stands out. For the smartest all-in-one 3-channel system with LTE, the 70mm T800 is the most advanced. If you prefer a clean mirror-style setup, the WOLFBOX G840S is the best pick.